Shri Bhagwati, manufacturing customized tablet coater. A tablet coater is a specialized piece of equipment used in pharmaceutical manufacturing and related industries to apply a coating to solid dosage forms such as tablets or pills. The coating serves various purposes, including masking unpleasant tastes or odors, protecting the tablet from moisture or light, and controlling the release of the active ingredient. The tablet coater typically consists of a rotating drum or pan where the tablets are placed, a system for spraying the coating material onto the tablets, and mechanisms for controlling variables such as temperature, airflow, and spraying pattern. The coating material, often in the form of a liquid solution or suspension, is evenly sprayed onto the tablets as they tumble or rotate within the coater, ensuring uniform coverage. The coating process can be tailored to achieve specific characteristics, such as controlled release profiles or enteric coatings that resist dissolution in the acidic environment of the stomach. Tablet coaters play a crucial role in pharmaceutical manufacturing by enhancing the appearance, stability, and performance of tablets, ultimately improving patient compliance and therapeutic outcomes. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.